Yolanda, you work hard, huh? Yolanda, you work hard this year. Wow, your sister really went out. Oh, instead of finishing her level. So where is she at now? Finish your lesson. Mm-hmm. Yung tsinelas mo, mother ni. Hello, hello. Nandun sa likod niya. Kinuha niya. Say Eva. Eh, Juliana, what you doing? Saan yung mga pinagbibili yung mga bagong sa Costco? Tignan ko nga, para sa hotdog ko? Ay, oo. Ah, hindi yung tela, gusto ko yun sa tela, yung sa hotdog. Ay, wala bang luma na ganyan? Okay. I need this one for my I know that's for my thingy. For greedy granny. Gilana. See, look at grandma. She's gonna fold it. Help grandma. Ba't ba't matangkad na siya ni Who's your Barbie now? Si see this, learn how to fold it. See like grandma. Ano naman nun. What? Finish your lesson, Jade. Ang grandma daw yung daddy foot daw niya. Oh, grandma is gonna touch daddy's foot. So what grandma's gonna do? Si grandma working hard. Nilo. Oh yeah, see, that's grandma how to fold the bed sheet. Jilan, I'll have to learn it. No, alam daw niya. Oh, Julene, don't give grandma money. 100, Julene. Ala, 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 ala. Sino ba may birthday? Julene. La. Are you doing your lesson? Galit pa siya, birthday daw niya, nagle-lesson siya. Birthday daw niya, pinagle-lesson. Juliana, you got $100. O share na naman. Times